I only have 5 days to finish this video. Oh, 1 second, guys. Gotta take this. Hello? Yeah. 2 days? Oh, okay. Alright, yeah, that's manageable. Okay, alright. See you soon. I only have 2 days to finish this video. I need to get this video out by January 11th, which is my dad's birthday. I want him to find out about his gift, or his keyboard, through this video. So let's not waste any more time and let's go do it. And so I set out on a journey to build a perfect silent board in 2 days. I'm going to be reusing the green keyboard I built a while back because it's 80% and my dad really liked it initially. Sadly, it didn't take too long for the problem to begin. God damn it, man, I left for 1 moment and the bag flew onto the thing. And now I have to redo that coat of paint. Now, my only problem with this board when I first built it was that it wasn't heavy enough, and it feels slightly hollow. So what I'm going to do is fill it with clay to make it even heavier and sound even more muted. Now, heads up, you shouldn't do this if you don't want to risk your PCB. Now, the stabilizers. These are some horrible stabs, and I kind of wish I ordered third-party clip-ins, but I still think I brought the best out of them. Let me know what you guys think. Would you like me to make a video that shows you how to make really bad stabilizers sound really good? Let me know in the comments. Pharmacist. I interrupt this broadcast to bring you a sad message. Since my father is going to be the one receiving this keyboard, the toga sticker must go. Please say your goodbyes and stand for the salute, boys. We're sad to see you go, soldier. Since my dad likes silent keyboards, I subtly showed him silent switches over the past couple weeks, and my dad actually ended up loving the same one Squash used for his mother, the Gatoron Silent Reds. Weird how all the parents like the same ones. Anyway, because these switches are so insanely scratchy, I'm stuck here lubing for the next 4 hours. Lubing these switches was weird. They use this foam pad on the stem to silence the switch, but it also seems to make the switch extremely scratchy. So I went a bit wild with the lube on them, and surprisingly, they weren't over lubed, so let's go. And finally, after that depressing mess, come the keycaps. To go with a nice matte gray theme, I chose a beautiful gray with red accents keycap set. And when I asked my dad what he thought of them, he said he liked them and loved the red accents, even though they were in another language. So I bought them, but I'm not sure if they're a clone, so you guys let me know. I'm pausing for a second to say, man, this set is really weird. Some of it is really confusing. This language is Hebrew, and apparently they share a lot of similarities. This set is so weird. But alright, let's give the board a listen and let's see how I did in 2 days. Okay, after weeks of subtly hinting and probing and asking him what he liked, the board is finally finished. I really like how this board turned out, and Dad, when you're watching this, inevitably on your birthday, please look behind you. And to everyone else, thank you so unbelievably much for your continued support. We recently hit 100 subscribers, I think it's on like 120 now, and that makes me over the moon happy. Thank you so much. I can't wait to show you everything else that I have planned. And to those of you who aren't subscribed, what the hell are you doing? Subscribe right now, boys. I'll see you soon. If you didn't notice, this video was really rushed. So if there's any discrepancies, that's on me. I'm sorry. I procrastinated.